In this video, I am going to show you how to edit Wix website after publishing. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my published Wix website and today I am going to edit it and add few more elements to my website. So to do this, I will log into my Wix account and here I will see all the websites that I have created on Wix. Now I will hover over my site and then click on select and edit site. Again click edit site from the top and it will take me to Wix website editor. And now from here I can easily edit my website. Let's say I want to add new elements to my website. Now from the left menu I am going to select add elements. Now if you want to add text, just select the text and drag it to the website. And as you can see that our text is now added to our website. Same like text, you can add other elements to the website, and if you want to delete anything from your website, just right click on it and then click on delete. And now if you want to edit any text, just select the text and then click on edit text. Now you can add your own new text here, and also you can change the font design from here. So this is how you can edit your Wix website after publishing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.